Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any Facebook bug. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So you face issue on your Facebook due to different reasons. So I'm going to show you all methods. So the first method, you simply need to go on to any browser. Okay, and then you need to test your internet speed. So click on that, and after that you need to check your internet speed. You can use any website. If you have a good internet connection, then you not face any issue in your Facebook. So this is the first method. And for the second method, you simply need to go onto any browser and check is Facebook down. So click on that and you can open any website. So here you can see that you can see what issue happening in the last 24 hours. So if you can see a major spike here, so it means that you need to wait for few hours, and the Facebook team will solve this issue. So this is the second method. And the third method, you simply need to go on to any you need to update your Facebook application. You need to go onto the Play Store and search for the Facebook. Okay, and you need to update your Facebook application. After that, you need to go into your settings of your smartphone, go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Facebook, and here you need to clear your cache, and after that you need to clear your storage, and you need to log in into your Facebook account again. So this is the process to solve any Facebook bug. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.